Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make steamed milk for lattes at home. If you have an espresso machine and you're getting ready to start making lattes at home, you're going to need to know how to properly steam your milk, and today we're going to show you how. Let's get started. First, you're going to choose the milk that you are wanting to use. You can use whole milk, non-fat milk, soy milk, and depending on the fat content in the milk is going to depend on how much you're going to have to steam it. Now today we're using 1% milk, so a low-fat milk. You're going to take your carafe and you're going to fill it about 3/4 of the way up. Once you have it filled up, then we're going to go over to our espresso machine and we're going to steam that milk. So first what we're going to want to do is clean out the steam wand. Typically the steam wand has condensation that's sitting in there. You just want to blow that out. Then what we're going to do is you're going to insert the tip of the steam wand into the milk and turn it on high. Once it's on high, you're then going to scratch the surface of the milk for about 2 to 3 seconds, and this is creating just a little foam on top of the milk. Then you're going to re-submerge the wand at the very bottom, leaving the steam wand on high until you hear a deep rumbling sound or the carafe is too hot to touch. And then at that point, you're going to turn off the steam wand, remove it from the milk, you're going to blow it out to get rid of any milk that may got sucked up into the steam wand, and you're ready to pour that into your latte. Once you have your milk prepared, then you're going to need to pour a shot of espresso for your latte. Again, a latte simply is a shot of espresso with steamed milk poured over it. A lot of people like to enjoy lattes with a flavor in them like vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut. You could mix this up and make it however you want. Just make sure that you're always creating very smooth and consistent foam on top of your milk by following these few steps. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make steamed milk for lattes at home.